right again.
Yes! Okay, that's enough gaming for now. It's nice outside. Let's go outside and do some biking and try out my new gadget, the GoPro Hero 8. Let's test this out and see how it works on my bicycle. Hey everybody, I'm gonna do some biking today, and I got a new camera, the GoPro Hero 8, and they say you don't need a gimbal for this, and I'm gonna test that out while I'm riding and see how stable it is, which is nice not to have to buy the gimbal, which is over $200 and very bulky. All you need is the GoPro camera itself, and it has built-in software that stabilizes the camera. So I'm going to check out the stability of it, see how it is riding on my bicycle, and also I'm going to try out the different camera levels on it. Now I'm in narrow mode. How's this? Probably not so much of the background, but more of me, which is what I want. It's linear mode right now. Am I too close? Am I too far? Wide mode. The picture probably seems a little distorted, especially the horizon in the background, because it's using a wide lens, fisheye lens. Super view mode. Now you can really see the background, and the horizon line is probably very warped. But how do I look? That's the most important. Let's see the camera in action, shall we? How does it handle in tight corners? Normally the camera would be shaking erratically, but this one is as smooth as silk. We got some cherry blossoms. The camera shows good detail. Here come some bumps on the road. Pretty smooth. Not bad. I'm pedaling faster. And now turning. Awesome. The camera is quite stable. Here's another alternate look at the 4 field of view settings. This is narrow, linear, wide, and super view. Here's a different angle of me riding over bumps. Awesome performance. Punch it. Structural integrity is holding. Warp speed! I had a lot of fun using the latest GoPro while cycling. The video quality is top-notch for an action camera, and the image stabilization looks professional as if you're using a gimbal, but actually not. Just a few more thoughts about the GoPro Hero 8. This model does not require a frame anymore because it has built-in connections on the bottom. Not having a frame makes the camera a little bit lighter and a little less bulky. However, because it does not have that extra protection, I recommend that you get a clear screen protector for the front and the back. It is an action camera after all, and you'll be knocking it around in whatever activity you're doing. I wish the mic was better at picking up audio from the sounds of the birds to, most importantly, my voice. But there is an attachment that allows for an external mic. And lastly, I found that the mode button on the side, although useful, can be touchy. For example, when I'm holding the camera, the mode button changed the video to photo without my intention of doing so, several times already. In conclusion, I give the GoPro Hero 8 4 out of 5 stars because this is by far the best action camera around, despite the price tag and a few shortcomings. The video quality, the build, the large choice of settings, and stabilization are its strengths. I will do a video using this action camera in a kayak/canoe and fishing application, so stay tuned for that in the near future. That concludes my little adventure this morning. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. I come out with as many videos as I can about the outdoors, mostly about fishing, sometimes about biking, traveling, whatever, anything that has to do with outdoor and nature. So we'll see you next time, and take care.